Hello there, Emily Sang. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you, Bob?
Great. Thanks for calling me back. Um, I'd like to. I'd love to start a referral relationship with you, where we could start referring business back and forth. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Is that okay with you?
Sure, love to.
Okay. So I'd like to ask you a few questions that tells me a little bit more about you and how we can work together. Sound good?
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
So tell me about yourself. Tell me about your occupation. What do you do?
I am a CPA and I help people with tax returns, tax planning. I also help people with financial planning. I'm a financial consultant.
Oh, okay. Okay. Excellent. So I've got this software that I built that resides on a website called mycity.com. And many people call it the match.com of the business world. And what it does is it looks for location, vocation, a rating system, expertise, and recommendation. So I like to gather as many pieces as I can about an individual, and then at the push of a button, it will make recommendations of people that are highly rated. So, got your vocation. What is your zip code?
My zip code is 90066.
Okay, so the way the system works, it's a 30-mile radius from your zip code. Who is it that you wish to meet?
I would like to meet attorneys, especially estate attorneys, business attorneys, and trust attorneys, and also love to meet real estate people and, for example, real estate developers, brokers, and attorneys, perhaps, and also love to meet with business owners, CEOs, and CFOs.
Beautiful, beautiful. And along with that comes the property casualty insurance people. I think would probably be good for you,
Yes.
and other CPAs would be good for you.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I
Okay,
love others
so
to meet with
great,
other CPAs.
great. So what will happen is we'll plug this in. All right. So the next here's the questions that we ask that helped create the rating system. Number one, on a scale of 1 to 5, how much do you want to grow your business?
5.
Good answer. Yeah, I every now and then, the reason I ask that question is every now and then I run into people that are so slammed they don't want to grow their business anymore, they can't handle anymore, or they're going towards retirement. So it's kind of a silly question, but on the other hand, it's important because why would you want to network with somebody that doesn't want to network?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Okay, second
Agree.
question. Do you do any networking?
Yes, I do.
Okay, tell me a little bit about that. You belong to any groups or anything along those lines?
I used to belong to some groups like Team or All Cities,
Okay.
and but I still do a fair amount of networking myself, and outside of tax return, the busy tax season period.
Yeah, amen. Amen. All right, so I get it. You're a networker. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'd put you at a 5. How about referrals? You give,
Love to, yes, give and receive referrals.
okay, perfect. So you're at 5 on that. Expertise in the field. I happen to look you up on LinkedIn. I see you spent many years doing that. So I'm going to give you a 5, whether you like it or not, for expertise.
Yeah, my
And of
position.
course, the last question is, I've been selling for like 35 years, and I size up people in a heartbeat, and 99% of the time I'm right. For recommendation, absolutely give you a recommendation. That's a 5, so you're a 25. So, like I said, I'm going to plug this into the system. I'm going to see what it spits out. It's a click of a button, and you're going to get an email from referrals at mycity.com. So, understanding the process, you're my connection. So, I rated you 25. You're going to show up in a column on the right hand side. In the center is going to be me, and on the left-hand side is somebody else that been rated by another individual that gave them very high ratings. So if the vocation matches and the location matches and all the other stuff, then you'll see these referrals come through in our system. It's a great system. So anyway, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate the knowledge base that you've given me. And let's turn our, introduction into a relationship and start referring more business to each other.
Okay? That sounds amazing. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.